tortillas?
They're gonna be where the bread is at.
Okay, so where is it?
Where the bread, wherever the bread.
I did not have to snap like this. I'm Chef Boyard Britt in this house.
It's custom made for me. No Christmas ain't Christmas unless the governor like
What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Brittany Nicole, and I'm back again with another video. So I don't know, do you guys like it when I start my videos in the mirror like this? I feel like I should start starting them like a real vlogger, but I like showing y'all my outfit. Hold on. So what is up, you guys? It is your girl Brittany. I'm about to go to the grocery store and get some food because in today's vlog we are going to be cooking with Britt. One of my favorite snacks is barbecue chicken quesadillas. I'm a little college student. I don't like cooking. I'd rather go out and buy some food before I cook some food. So this is just a really quick, easy meal that you can make at home really quickly and really tasty. I just love it. So we're about to go to the grocery store and get some groceries. I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me all day. It's gonna be a little cooking, a little mukbang. So if you would like to see it, please make sure you continue watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss an upload. It is a Vlogmas, so I'll be posting every day until Christmas. All right, so that's enough. We gonna head to the grocery store. When you're a dog mom, Kenny, wait. Revolves around the little dog. He gotta use the bathroom, and y'all don't worry, like Kenzo, he can walk without a leash. Like I walk him all the time without a leash. He doesn't run in the street. Yes, he's a very good dog. He listens to my commands, so it's good, but he has to use the bathroom, and then we can go to the grocery store. We made it to Food Lion. Shout out to my handsome ass videographer. Maybe y'all meet him one day, maybe you won't. I may be Aaliyah J in this bitch, you never know. But we're on our way to Food Lion. Stop. So, the first thing we need is chicken.
Why?
You gonna get some chicken? First thing we need is chicken. If we get the little filet chicken breast, you don't gotta cut them in half.
I know what time it is.
So, we got that. Hey girl. Next thing we need is some cheese, tortillas, got butter at home, got barbecue sauce at home. We need some drinks and we need a side. I think I'm gonna get french fries because I'm a fat hoe. So come on. Gotta grab my favorite drink. And y'all ain't know, the Minute Maid strawberry lemonade. Girl.
Know what time?
You know what type of time you are, right, babe?
For sure.
Should I make cookies?
What's up?
To go with my meal, I have a whole like...
You're not even gonna eat it. You're not even gonna eat it. You're not even gonna eat it.
Yes, I am. Why are they two different colors?
I have no idea.
Oh, this one's reduced fat. We need all the fat.
You need all of that?
All that. Oh, they got cookies over here. Can I make cookies and eat some? Because I'm not going to eat all of them.
Of course I will.
You think so?
I will. Ooh.
I saw this meme on Instagram, and it was like, what did it say? It was like, after you eat your meal, I need something sweet. That's me. It was like, that's how you know you're fat. I'm gonna put the thing in there so y'all know what I'm talking about. I'll be hungry.
I really get you.
So I'm also gonna grab some bacon because I want barbecue chicken bacon quesadillas. Fancy or whatever. I'm gonna find this one soon. And then I think we can dip.
Bet that.
You see tortillas?
I don't see a damn thing. It's not gonna be over here. It's gonna be like by the bread.
What are you recording?
Hey, I'm weak. You gonna go back and look at this shit. You gonna be like, the fuck?
I'm gonna take a cute ass Instagram picture of me.
Period, poop. Do you know how many times you done passed it?
With the tortillas?
They're gonna be where the bread is at.
Okay, so where is it?
Where the bread, wherever the bread.
Come on. We were really arguing in the grocery store like an old ass couple. That's crazy, right, Mans? I see why it's very pretty. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. You are so smart. Look at you. Shut up. Okay, tortillas. Here we are. I think I want. That's too many. See, I'm pretty sure I have one of these at home.
But you don't know that though.
No, I do know. There's no point in buying hella just for a video.
Ooh.
So your girl secured the bags. And now we finna cook some shit. Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen. Excuse the photos. You know I'm in college. Party house. Period poo. I'm really excited about Vlogmas because I feel like y'all are getting a more insight into my life and getting to know me better. It's making me more comfortable in front of the camera. You know, like I just feel like my whole little personality is coming out or whatever. So I thought it would be cool if I did a little grocery haul since you know your girl is the queen of trying on hauls. I'm just gonna do a little grocery haul to show y'all what I got. Let me get my chicken out the fridge. Hold on. Thin sliced chicken breast fillets. I'm probably gonna only use like 1 or 2 of these and then freeze the rest because I'm only cooking for myself. My little boo had to go to work or whatever. Fancy shredded 4-cheese and Mexican blend cheese. Zesty straight seasoned french fries. Our Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough. I love cookies, so. If y'all hear Enzo, he pissed on my floor, so I locked him up in his cage. If you hear a little, he's upset because he was bad. Be quiet. Bacon, I like the thick cut Applewood bacon because I'm a thick chick, you feel me? Strawberry lemonade, an essential, y'all know, I already told y'all about this in the store. Bagels, seasoning salt, Cajun seasoning to go on my french fries and on my chicken, gallon size freezer bag. Yes, we're just gonna get to cooking. Oh wait, let me make sure I have these tortillas that I was talking so much about. Be quiet. So yes, that was correct. I still have some tortillas, so I'm gonna bring y'all over to the stove or whatever. Also, sorry I don't have granite tabletops and freaking, what the fuck, like sterling silver, stainless steel appliances. I'm in college. I guess the house that we're living in right now wasn't all of that, but it don't matter because I'm in college, full-time college student in my own crib, so kiss my butt. All right. Wash your freaking hands. We don't like dirty, nasty, trifling hussies, okay? So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Oh, look at me, you guys. Like I got my whole fucking cooking show or whatever. So the first thing I like to do is heat up all my appliances so that it's hot and ready to go when I need it. So I have a griddle. This is what we're gonna be pressing out our quesadillas on. So we're just gonna make sure this is hot and ready for when that time comes. All right, and then I also have a deep fat fryer. I like eating a lot of fried food, so I have one of these. If you don't have one of these, you can fry your french fries in a pan or a pot with some hot oil, but I have this, so it's just easier. So I'm gonna just hook this up so that it's ready to go when the time comes. Now we're gonna make our chicken. A really quick disclaimer, I'm not no professional ass cook, so I don't need y'all to be telling me what I did wrong and what I need to do next time, because honestly and quite frankly, I do not care. I ate my food. I promise you it was probably good. We're about to see because we get mukbang too, but guys, keep your comments to yourself because I don't care. This is to cook with Britt, not tell Britt how to cook or Brittany teach you how to cook, okay? Guys, I cleaned my chicken. Now I'm going to season that bitch up. Put some Cajun seasoning on there because I love Cajun. I just bought this, so I gotta take the top off. Oh, and this is a cutting board that I use specifically for like chicken. It says fish on here, but I don't eat fish, so I only use it for chicken. You gotta be careful when it comes to chicken and things like that because you don't want to get salmonella and nastiness. So be very careful when you're handling raw meats, okay? Add some garlic powder to that hoe. Other side. And put a little bit of chili powder on here because I want a little kick. Lastly, we're gonna put a little seasoning salt. I know I like my food OD, but like I want to be able to taste it under all of the cheese and just tortilla. So I want my chicken to be very flavorful. So You don't have to put this much on here. This is what I like to do. It's up to y'all for real, but this smells so good. Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick and put some oil in this pan. All right, so I used to have bigger pans, but like I said, my old roommate stole them. So when she moved out, so I'm just gonna use this little pan. It's okay because I'm just cooking for myself, but it's kind of frustrating when I'm trying to cook more than one thing at one time because of this baby ass pan. If you sprinkle some water on there and it's hot, that means it's hot. I'm gonna let it get a little bit hotter. Oh, we're good, okay.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Lord, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. What you doing, Terry?
Ooh, Jesus. All right, so I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. My mom always taught me to clean as you go, so I'm gonna straighten up, put these seasonings away, throw this cutting board in the sink to be washed in my little dishwater, and then I'm gonna start up my bacon and my cookies. It says to turn my oven on 325. Kitchen scissors, everyone needs kitchen scissors. My grease is ready for french fries, but I'm not gonna drop them yet because I want all my food to be done at the same time. Real quick, we're just gonna flip our chicken. Okay, this may not be a preheated, I'm gonna just heat it up. They're gonna cook with the oven. So I like my chicken chopped up in my quesadillas, so I'm about to break this up a little bit. Oh shit, this is hot. Like my chicken a little salty, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of this one here. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna start cooking on my bacon. My mom taught me this trick when I was really little. All you need is the bacon, a glass or ceramic plate, and some fucking paper towels. I'm just gonna put, I only need one strip for real for this. This is such thick bacon, I'm gonna cut it up into little pieces. So all you gotta do, fold it over, pop it in the microwave for 1 minute per slice. So I put mine in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds because it's a little bit of a thicker cut of bacon. All right, so I like to butter up my tortillas before I put them on the George. So we got this side all buttered up. Only need one side buttered because the other side is gonna have all the food in it. Put her down, put some cheese in here. Now the key to this is only putting it on half of the quesadillas because the other half is gonna be folded over. So there we go. Now we're just gonna grab some of our chicken that we just made and put that on there. I like to stuff my quesadillas really full because I'm hungry, duh. Then we're just gonna take our slice of bacon. I like mine crunchy just to give it some texture. We're just gonna crumble this up, put it in our quesadilla. Now, I'm gonna just take a little bit, just a little smidgy of barbecue. Usually I cook it up in with the chicken, but I forgot this time, so hopefully this tastes just as good. And then, oh, for my barbecue sauce, I just use Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce, love that. And then I'm just gonna grab some more cheese and really stack it on there. Now this is not healthy, it's very fattening, but who doesn't love fattening food? Like what? Pull this over. And then we're just gonna shut the grill. And we're gonna let that cook. All right, so while that's doing that thing, I'm about to go ahead and drop my fries in this grease. Just a little update on the quesadilla. Ooh, baby! Do y'all see this? And quesadilla over here doing its thing. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit longer. Our cookies are still in the oven. I feel like the bottom of them is burning, so I just put them on the top shelf of the rack. I don't think y'all understand how hungry I am. What time is it? It's 4:30 and I haven't eaten at all, so I'm really excited about this meal. Your girl is about to crush. You know the fries are ready when they start to float on top of the grease. I believe my quesadilla is done. Let me take y'all off the tripod so y'all can see the goodness. I was gonna make cheese fries, but I think this has enough cheese on it. I'm not gonna need cheese fries, so we're just gonna slice the toe. Yes. So good, bitch. What the fuck? Whew, that looks good. I'm just gonna grab some Cajun seasoning to put on my Frenchy fries real quick. I also think our cookies are now done. Ooh, no. I'm gonna let them cook for a little bit longer. All right, y'all, let's head to the table and have some goodies because this looks so good and I'm so hungry, okay? Let's go. So, y'all watched me make the food, so I figured y'all wanna watch me try it. I just took the cookies out of the oven. I'm probably gonna eat one or two after I finish my food. If not, I'm gonna save them for later because I feel like this is really gonna fill me up. It's about to be so good, I'm so hungry. This is so good. So I was trying to decide between ketchup and barbecue sauce. But I think I'm just gonna cook everything in barbecue sauce. Well, I'm gonna try without the barbecue first. Oh, delicious. I did not have to snap like this. Oh my goodness. I should definitely try this at home. This chicken, so good. You shut up. No, Kenzo. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm such a beauty girl. So this is the Brittany Nicole chicken quesadilla in the shade. Oh my god, this shit is good as fuck. This is so good. I'm sorry if y'all hear all this noise in the background. My dog is down there eating his food. And I live near a street. So if you hear cars and music, that's what that is. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm Chef Boyard Britt in this hoe. I don't know, like, I don't know. There's different types of mukbangs. We have like mukbangs where you eat in front of the camera and you don't talk, you just eat. Like they just want to hear you reacting to the food. And then they have mukbangs where people talk about shit, but I want to try it because this food is so good. I really like the different textures in it. Like you taste the crispiness of the bacon and then juiciness and the flavor of the chicken with the cheese and the caramelization of the cheese. This is so good. I highly recommend y'all try this out at home. Guys, this is bomb. Excuse me. Whew. I don't even know if I can finish this. I'm about to ask my boyfriend if he wants me to bring some to him. Hey baby.
Good.
I finished my food. This shit is good as fuck.
The little quesadilla?
Mm-hmm.
It looked like it busted down when I saw it.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it. And I did make another one because I did a mukbang part. So do you want it? You want me to bring it to you?
So what?
You want me to bring it to you?
What?
The other half of my quesadilla, I'm not gonna be able to finish it.
Alright, but do that. Alright, but
This is all that you can get. Like, it's so much food. I'm full. I don't know why I'm full. This shit was good as fuck. Babe, I'm full.
nigga, how you ever gonna get thick? You don't fucking eat. You take like 3 bites every time.
Shut up.
Yes, they eat 3 wings.
So you want it, yes or no?
Yes.
You want a cookie or 2?
So what?
You want a cookie or 2?
Nah, I don't like sweets.
Okay. I'm coming. Y'all heard it. I don't know why, lately, like the past week or 2, my appetite has just been like non-existent. So I'm about to go bring the rest of my food to my man to eat. And then I'm gonna edit up this video. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching today's Vlogmas video. No one try to think I waste food often. Like if I don't, like I'm not gonna finish this shit is big as fuck. So I'm gonna give it to my boo, but if I didn't finish it, I would have just put it in the refrigerator and then you just put it back on the George Foreman and it's crispy and good as new, like a fresh one. So I would have just ate it later, but there's no point because he hasn't ate all day either. So I'm gonna just go bring it to him for him to eat. So yes, I'm gonna check you guys out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow on my next day of Vlogmas, all right? Bye, y'all.
Mr. Mall, Big Jim, Birmingham, let's go. I want an old school Impala on 20-inch rim. Mink coat with the kicks and the different color brims. See shorty and a friend, I'ma get one of them. I want it all. I'm talking from the coupe to the house, from the house house to the yacht. My mom's that $500,000 job.